In order to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut, you first need to get your crypto deposit address from Revolut. So first you need to open your Revolut app and go to the crypto tab, usually at the bottom. Once you're on your crypto tab, tap on receive or deposit. Now, once you do that, you'll need to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, whichever is available and is your option. Now, once you do that, you want to make sure to copy the wallet address and note the specific network required. It could be Bitcoin Network, ERC20, or Solana. Whatever the network is, you want to take note of that. So two things to take note of: your wallet address and the specific network. And then you're going to go over to Binance, and then here in Binance, you want to select assets at the bottom. And then you're going to select, say, USDT. If it's USDT, you select it from Revolut. And then once you get to assets, you want to tap on send. So once you tap on send, you see some options. So we want to select withdraw assets. So it says withdraw crypto from Binance to other exchanges or wallets. And our destination is Revolut, so we'll be selecting that. And then of course you want to select USDT. And then, of course, if you're using the same device, you want to switch to the previous app, which is Revolut, copy the address and paste it right here. That is the best method as it will avoid any mistakes. And then, of course, you want to select the right network, which is what we mentioned before. So make sure you do that accurately. And then, of course, you want to put in the amount. And then once all these input fields are satisfied, you can tap on the withdraw button at the bottom, which is a yellow button, and then go through your confirmation, and this will successfully transfer or withdraw your crypto from Binance to Revolut.